is the cage where we have kept our gas cylinder. One part happened, some theft has taken place and someone has taken both the cylinder. So we have kept two cylinders inside. But there is no other place in our house, so we have to keep the cylinders here only. So I have made some alarm system. So I will show you the demonstration first. Now I will open the door. Controller unit. There is a relay inside and circuit inside, electronic circuit. And this is the power supply unit. This is the filter. And this is the light. It will also give light to the surrounding place of the cage. Here there is a micro switch and this is the lever attached to the door. So this will operate the switch. This is the control panel for the alarm system and this is housed inside our utility. Now I will show you the demonstration from here. Let us say someone has opened the door and the light here, it will blink.